Feeling lost and unsure what your life's purpose is? You're not alone. Millions of us grapple with this question. Let's unpack it together. Today, we'll be discussing the 5 best strategies for finding your purpose in life. Many of us often wonder what our purpose is and how we can find true fulfillment. Well, fret not. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to discovering your purpose. So, let's dive right in. Strategy 1. Self-reflection. The first strategy is self-reflection. Take some time to introspect and ask yourself meaningful questions. What are your passions? What brings you joy? Reflect on your strengths, values, and what truly matters to you. This process will help you gain clarity and understand yourself better. Strategy 2. Explore different interests. Strategy number 2 is all about exploration. Don't be afraid to try new things and explore various interests. Attend workshops, join clubs, or take up a hobby that piques your curiosity. By exposing yourself to different experiences, you'll gain valuable insights into what resonates with you and what doesn't. Strategy 3. Embrace challenges and learn from failures. Strategy number 3 is embracing challenges and learning from failures. Life is full of ups and downs, and it's during the tough times that we often grow the most. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learn from your failures. These experiences will shape you and guide you towards your purpose. Strategy 4. Seek inspiration from others. Our fourth strategy is seeking inspiration from others. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you and align with your values. Engage in conversations and learn from their stories. Sometimes, hearing about someone else's journey can spark a realization about your own purpose. Strategy 5. Take action and adapt. Finally, strategy number 5 is taking action and adapting. Once you have an idea of your purpose, it's time to take action. Start small and set achievable goals that align with your purpose. Remember, your purpose may evolve over time, so be open to adapting and adjusting your path along the way. Now, for a while, I felt completely lost. I had a good job, sure, but it didn't spark any joy. I went through the motions, but there was this emptiness inside. So, I decided to take action based on strategy number 2, explore different interests. I signed up for a pottery class, something I'd always been curious about. Let me tell you, that first lump of clay in my hands was a turning point. Molding it, feeling the resistance, and then shaping it into something new, it ignited a passion I never knew existed. It wasn't just about the pottery, it was about the process of creation, the satisfaction of using my hands to make something beautiful. That's when I realized maybe my purpose wasn't a fixed destination, but a journey of continuous creation and learning. So, there you have it, the 5 key strategies: self-reflection, exploration, embracing challenges, seeking inspiration, and taking action. Remember, finding your purpose isn't about reaching a specific finish line. It's about the incredible journey of self-discovery. By implementing these strategies, you open yourself up to a life filled with meaning, passion, and fulfillment. Imagine the positive impact you can have on the world when you're living with purpose. Have you had a similar experience where exploration led you closer to your purpose? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspiring content to help you unlock your full potential, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.